This is Thurston Middle School's industrial arts. My students are working on a hydraulic arm project using syringes to simulate how hydraulic cylinders work.
We had to come up with the drawing first, which made it really difficult, and then we had to somehow work out both of our drawings to combine it into one.
And then I work them through getting them to where they meet the basic criteria, where I initial them. That allows them to gather materials.
Our gripper wasn't working right, so we had to take it apart so we could put it back together so it would actually move.
And so there's a lot of troubleshooting.
For this, we got to do our own growth mindset.
It's a great learning experience the kids go through, and the frustrations and the joys of making it work. It's a beautiful thing.
And we got to learn from our mistakes. We got to have our hands on.
It's about a month-long project.
That you can really get it done with having a partner help you out a lot, and that she does a lot, and she's very good at building stuff and drawing stuff.
It's a team project, and I really push the fact that working in teams is hard.
I mean, it's a bit challenging when you have two people that have two different ways of doing it, but in the end, it makes it so much easier. I think it's just the teamwork is the best part about this, because I don't think any kid could get this done in 3 weeks.
It makes me feel a little bit nervous and happy because we got this done in time and it looks really good.
It just makes you really excited when you find out something that you took apart, that you rebuilt, actually turned out how you wanted it to turn out.
I recommend this class to other people. It's a really cool class to get to build things and stuff. I like this class a lot. It's my favorite elective.